So hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and the surrounding areas. I'm Corporal Hood. We got something really cool for y'all today, something a little different. Some people know this, obviously, because I've learned it from somewhere else. But for those of you that don't, Berkley Gulp 3-inch watermelon pearl, right there it is, with these 132-ounce jig heads. We got some 116s in there just in case we need to get it a little deeper. But the rest of the rig today we're going to be running is that Garcia Revo Rocket with that Okuma SST 5'6", and as you can see, we got that original aluminum color jig head on there to start. So we're going to go ahead, hook up one of these shads, head down to the water, and we're going to bang some fish for y'all today. Wait till you see this. This method really works, and it works well, and especially if you're fishing artificials only, or you're in a situation where you have to fish artificials only, key recipe to success right here. But don't forget, like, subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram, and join the Facebook group, Single Hook Hogs Fishing. When we get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, we're giving away that free dragon's egg, and that's right, baby, that Shad Pal special. There it is, them brook trout scales, also available in brown trout, rainbow trout, and possibly golden trout. We're not sure yet, but let us know in the comments which handle you guys would prefer for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be a different blade, but they're handmade in America, Damascus steel. So stay motivated, keep it tight, and we're going to go ahead and check back in with some fish, y'all. Alright, y'all, there it is. Standard jig head, hook coming out the dorsal fin. No snap, no split shot, simple rig. Just twitch this thing a little bit. Make sure it's hitting the bottom. Alright, you want to make sure it's down on the bottom. Just a little jig here and there, bang. Nice slow retrieve, little jig pop. Just a little jig pop. We'll see what they do. We'll see what they do. Oh, he was tailing it. He was tailing it, y'all. I'm going to get one this cast. I was too quick bringing it back in. You see, he was right on it. And then he saw me. Here we go. I'm going to let it go down a little more. Sometimes just open the bail, get some more line, and let it settle right in that hole. Little jig pop. They're going to come for it. Open the bail. Bang. Man, had a big one chasing it that first cast. Let's see if we can get him back. Ooh, nailed it. I missed him. I missed him. Ooh, they're hitting this thing hard. They're hitting this thing. They are coming after it. This is the spot, y'all. We're going to get them. We're going to get them. We're going to get them. Right here we go. A little more patience. Nice little pop. Maybe give him some. Ooh, fish on. That's a big one. Fish on. Wow. That's a big one. Whew. That's a big one, y'all. That's a big one. He's right under me. Dang. Wow, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, he's taking drag. That is a big fish. That is a big fish, y'all. That's a big one. Look at this. We gotta get down here and get him. You see him down there? Woo-wee. That's a big one. Beautiful. We're gonna have to get down there somehow. Look at that Husker, y'all. Wow. There it is. Nice healthy rainbow. Nice beautiful rainbow. And he's back. Fish on. Got him. Got him. That's a bigger one. Ooh. Fish on. Nice Husker rainbow. Wow, I knew they were coming. Ooh, y'all. Look at him. Wow, that's a nice looking rainbow. Let's get a look at him. Look at the... Look at that, y'all. Beautiful rainbow. Fish on. Oh, it's a little guy. Look at that little guy. Oh, that's a wild one. Ooh, that's a wild one, y'all. Look at that wild one. Wow. Look at that. And he's gone. Ah, fuck. I'm breathing in a bug, y'all. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. There it is. Woo-wee. Oh, man. Look at him. Husker. Husker, y'all. Damn. Okay. Where's the hook? Look at that beautiful Husker, y'all. Beautiful rainbow. Nice little dorsal. Let's get him back in. There he's going. So the trick is to try to get it as close to the bottom as possible without catching a snag. And then hook a fish. That's the trick here, y'all. Much better spot now, y'all. 2 little nibbles right on the way in. Here we go. Fish on. Fish on. Got him. Oh, it's going to breach. Oh, I bet that was the jumper. He was going to jump again. He was going to jump again. Whew. Nice little rainbow. Beautiful looking trout. Well, y'all, that's it for today. We hope y'all enjoyed today's episode of Single Hook Hogs Fishing. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell. Some cool giveaways. Actually, an awesome giveaway once we get to 1,000 subscribers. But hey, once again, here they are. Berkley Gulp 3-inch watermelon pearl. They're about $6 a pack. And you got 1 32-ounce Eagle Claw jig heads. We got some 1/16 ounce in there also. But we mix up the colors. We kind of bring like a mix bag. Yo, you saw it. They work. And shockingly, even that little wild boy, that guy could have been more than 7 inches. He ate one of these 3-inch shad. They love it. They eat it. They catch fish. Cool way. When you're doing this though, make sure you're bouncing that jig head because you will catch a lot of snags when them jigs hit the bottom. You gotta be able to keep it up off the bottom, but pretty unique way to catch trout. And we just wanted to share that with y'all. Stay motivated. Keep it tight. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell. Let us know in the comments if you guys ever fished these shad for trout, heard of anyone who has, or had any luck doing it. Single Hook Hogs out.